So to copy entity in SolidWorks, you have to draw your entity first. Sketch. We're going to sketch a circle. Okay. To copy it from here to, let's say, to other side instead of using mirror. So now same way we moved entity. So just click this side, and from here to where, from this point to first click, and then where are you copying into, you move around anywhere you want to copy to, then click. So just make sure this point or this circle is not fixed. It has degree of freedom. Even if it does not, even if it does, if it has degree of freedom, it should be copied. You should be still be able to copy it. So let's demonstrate. Let's check if we have this point being fixed. Let's see if it's going to copy. It should copy. It is different from moving. So now what do you want to copy? This, and then from here to here. From here to this side. So it's still, you can still copy it, but let's try to move it to be different, and you won't be able to move it. So what do you want to move? So from here to here. So you see it's not moving, but this that is free, the other sketch that we just copied, which is free, can be moved around. You see that's the difference. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.